Hey everybody, I'm sorry I don't feel very well. I ate something bad, so I've been kind of thrown up. My throat's really messed up, and we were up late trying to find a cat. One of our cats got out, and we haven't seen him or anything since. So, as you can see, I still have a few more pages to go through on these prompts. I will try and get to them today. I make no promises. I don't feel well. Like I said, I ate something bad. All right, babe. And my throat is just tore up from the acid. So, try to think what else. Oh, there's a issue with some error that was going on, and it has to do with conditional formatting we had on the website for payments. So, we disabled that. Payment process should be fine again. Apologize for the inconvenience. And then, wow, I got hair all over the place. Look at that. And then, what else do we have going on? I don't feel very well, but I got a client that I have to meet on the phone. And we have something cool. I've been working on different prompts and stuff, and there's some interesting ones in here. I was kind of glancing through them because I wasn't feeling well, and so I took the PDF over on my phone and I was reading through it. Some of them look pretty cool and interesting. One of the big prompts I see that I see in a lot of prompts are people having issues with entities, and it really, really, I want to show you guys something to kind of save you some time. In the playground, let's go to documentation. Nope, examples. Here we go. Where is it? One moment, babe. Sorry about that. My wife had a question. So basically you can put in a simple prompt, extract keywords, right? You'll be provided with a block of text, and your task is to extract a list of keywords from it, right? So you can take that and use it as a magic command. You can use it in the playground, whatever. However, let's do this. Let's go back to the playground. And I'll just leave it on turbo. And submit. Okay, where did we have that demo text? I'll just use that. All right. Sounds like a good idea. Not too shabby. That's pretty cool. All right, let's see if it can do the same thing with entities. What do you think? User. There you go. So, simple entities. Although some things may not be great, let me switch this over. Let's do something like GPT-4 and see how it handles the query. Oh, that's interesting. Maybe. Select all, copy. We'll delete this. Just playing around here. So let's see. Now let's do it in sequential order. Cool. Let's see. Extract a list of entities. So entities or keywords. Okay, let's see if we can do it with keywords. We'll change the exact same thing. Well, there you go. So you can keep your prompts really, really simple. Go to their examples. They have plenty of them. You know, you wanted to see. They have examples on here that they've developed in their past or whatever. How great they work, I really don't know. But I have been using a lot of these. And they work pretty good. Real simple, real focused, real concise. The more exact your meaning. So just think like if you're doing a website and you're trying to communicate to a customer base. You're really trying to make it clear and concise, but when we talk to humans, we try to elaborate very large and be more descriptive. But quite often, just the simple thing, do this. It already knows what this is, so it already has a predefined idea of what it's supposed to do. It's AI. I don't really know how it works, like all of us. But yeah, try to keep it simple. And like I said, look at their examples here. And even like in their documentation, they have some other examples that they use, like where they use. And they even tell you about best practices. So ask the model to adopt a persona. So when doing those acid pop up. When doing your prompts and engineering your prompts, magic commands, whatever you want to call them, they've got instructions here. Look at the address up there. Like I said, it's very, very, very clear. Follow what they're asking for. They even have like a seminar type thing, and look at a couple of their, and they have a forum too. Here, watch this. And I mean, they have some interesting stuff. People talking, questions, prompting, good information, great stuff that people have, what they've been able to do or not been able to do, real questions like how things cost and why they cost, just randomness. Lots of really good stuff. Take a peek. GPT-4 and all that good stuff is quite expensive, and if you're using it right, it's very, very powerful. Anyhow, I'll try and get the rest of those ratings done today. I feel like crap. Anyhow, thank you all very much for your support and patience. Like, share, subscribe. Use those affiliate links. If you need a product or a service, it all helps us out. Like I said, I'm trying to get to the point where I get messages every day asking for people that want to be VAs. And I'm trying to get to a point where maybe I can make something like that happen to help out with the staff that's already involved. It's not big. I'm literally trying to prove that I can do most of this on my own, although I do have assistance with things like taking care of some of the background server things that I don't want to mess with, and things like descriptions that get put down in the comments and stuff like that. So I really appreciate the help that I get from those individuals. What else do I got to put out there? I guess nothing right now. Like I said, I don't feel very well. I'm going to try and get something to cool the throat. I'm going to look on the internet. When I was a kid, it was always milk or bread or something anyways. Appreciate you all. You have a wonderful week. Like I said, I will try and get that done today. No promises.